Hi folks, this is a little video, an unboxing video showing the dog bone mount insert for the Mk5 Golf, in this case for an R32. Principle will be similar for the rest of the sort of Mk5 shared platform cars. The main device is this polyurethane insert by SuperPro. You can see the part number there for this pre-facelift Mk5, which is SPF2861-80K. Basically, this polyurethane insert goes up into the standard mount. It's hollow, and it goes up inside it and fills the void. There's a few washers and stuff along with. Me being a perfectionist, has new OE bolts for the whole dog bone mount assembly. However, with speaking to a few people, the standard bolts aren't quite long enough, because this insert will add a bit of space, requiring a longer bolt. So what I've done is I have a longer bolt, an extra 10mm, and this is a higher tensile strength. This is a 10.9 tensile strength as opposed to the 8.8 standard bolts. As I said, 10mm longer and that bit stronger, and a washer to go along with. I'm probably going to go for the longer bolt. It's also been suggested by a few guys that these can actually pull right through the threads, so wouldn't want to risk it without having a longer bolt in it. So let's unbox this item and show you what's in it. Cut through the bag. Okay, that's the main device itself there. As you can see, it's like a rubberized plastic, and this will go up inside in that direction, up inside the mount, and fill the void. And also in the bag we have two washers. The reason I quite like the design of the SuperPro one, it's a large washer that pretty much goes over the whole device, adding that wee bit of extra strength. And there's a smaller washer that goes in there just to fill that void. So, you know, it's quite a well designed bit of kit. There's no excess play, so, you know, it should all help. And also in there we have some instructions, which we'll try our best to ignore, and some of the grease. Basically, you have to grease this all up whenever you go to insert it. So that should help. The real principle behind it is a couple of guys' report of improved gear shift, smoother gear engagement, and a wee bit of extra or less flex when you do accelerate quite hard in the engine. But we'll find out and report back and see what we think of it. I will have an installation video coming up soon as well. Okay, cheers, bye.